Hi everybody, I'm on a new Grand Junction game here at Harris and Laughlin. They got rid of the Buffalo link. I'm so upset, but I found this. I put a 20 in, I was down to my last bet, literally, and I got this. The mini's only $10. So I've never played it, my first time. What is that? Fortune's jackpot is 1,004. Alright, so now I know you need at least 6 of these to get that. There's also another symbol that'll give you free games. But let's see what we can get. If anything. Oh, another mini. Alright. Come on, let's get the Fortunes or the major, even mini, minor. Alright. Come on, let's get my drink. Get it? Come on. Alright. I believe, yeah, 15. If you fill them up, you win the grand. That's 14,000. We got 3 more to go. And these are the bets you can bet. Like the newer ones, you can get it on the dollar version or the 50-cent version. Get it? Oh. 1 spin remaining. This is it. Get it? No. Oh well. Just I got my money back and a little more. I was just going to feed it and put 40 in and start filming. I just got here a little while ago. Came for a concert. Alright, that works. Dragon train. Oh. Alright, this is nice. Okay. Alright, not bad for the first time playing. What the main thing looks like. Dragon train. Okay, let's raise the bet to the dollar version and put $1. Those are the symbols. You know, let me change it first. What is it on nickels? Change to nickels, yes. And it's $1.25. You could change it to 25. There you go. Get it? 3 more. Yes! Oh, and a train. I don't know what that gets me. Cool. Cool. These are on nickels, so 3 spins remaining. Let's get some big ones. Come on. Progressive. All right, come on. See, the train's all set to go here. Come on. Let's do this. These were just put in. Come on. Get it? Yes? Oh, come on. Let's fill them up. Get it? Oh, I got a touch. Come on. 2 spins left. Come on, baby. It's not listening. All right. This is it. Get it? Uh-oh. Train did a wheelie. Now 8 wins fortune. All right. So press play to initiate a spin. All right, give me a big one. Give me that major. Big, 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 big. 3 spins remaining. Oh, this is cool. I get it now. All right, big. Get them, big, 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 big. Oh, no, no, no. You got to do it. Come on. Come on, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, good. That's $25. I'm on nickels. Cool. Let's get more of those. Let's get a mini, minor, major. Get it? Oh, no. Come on. 2 more left. You can do this. Come on. Say in the comments if you've ever seen that. Another one. Woohoo. Let's make that 3. Come on. Get it. Get it. Oh, come on. Oh, this is nice. Fill them up and win the Fortune 8. That's how you get the $1,000. That's Fortune 8. We've got to get 8 of these. 8 wins fortune 8. 8 of these little thingies here. So let's fill that up. Come on, 4 more. Get it? Yes. 3 more. Come on. Get it. Come on, get it, get it, get it, get it. All right, 2 more. I hope I get to keep those too. I don't know. Let's hope. Come on, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Oh, come on. 3 spins to get 1 more. Fill it up. Whew. Get it, get it, get it. Oh no. Oh, I don't even see anything in there. Come on, you can do this. Come on. 1 more, get it. No. Oh, I do get those. Good, good. Woohoo! And these are nickels. Awesome. Yes. Woohoo! Now the train's moving, coming back in. Woohoo! His eyes are glowing. There it all is. Woohoo! All right. First machine played, and I got $111. My boy put in a $20 bill. This is cool. All right, this is worth checking out. Tell me what you think. See, I'm glad I switched to nickels. That is nice. All right, let's do a few more spins. Come on. Let me see what else we got going on. Let me try dimes. See if that, yep, that'd be $2.50. Let me do a few. I don't normally do dimes. Get it, get it, get it. I think 3 of these will get you free games. The little hut thingies. Let's do another one. Get it? Yeah. Oh, where's your buddies? Oh, just a second. Get it? Hang on just a minute. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Got my Pepsi or Coke, and I had to take a pill. Let's see. Let's do a few more spins on dimes. Like I said, I don't normally do these. Get them? $1. 1 more. No, let's go. Let's go to 2 cents. I haven't tried 2 cents yet. And we'll bet $1. Come on. Is that all it's going to give me? Let me go to $2. Oh, come on. Get him? Nope. 1 more, 1 more, 1 more. Oh. These guys are wild. Back down here. Oh, come on. All right, a bunch of the birdies, $1.90. 3 more, 3 more. Oh, 2 more. Get it? Oh, I like that little train guy. Oh, $50 there. Come on. Come on. 4 more. Last spin. 3 more, 3 more. All right. Hang on. I'm going to cash this out and put a 20 in because I do want to play it some more. Hang on. Okay. Let's try $1. Will be $3 for a couple spins. Well, 3 more, 3 more. Oh, come on. Oh, no. Now let's go back to pennies. Yes, come on. And let's do $1.50 on that. Oh, 4 more, 4 more. Well, I think it's done for a while, but I'll use up this little 20 I put in there. Oh, come on. $1.80. I would like to get 3 of these. Oh, come on. Let me lower it down to 50 50 cents. See if it wants to do anything. Oh, come on, 4 more. Nope. 20 cents. Come on. Stopping it doesn't help anything. Or I'm not stopping it the way it likes. I don't know. Sometimes you get lucky when you do that, but you never know. Come on, 4 more. 2 more, 2 more. I got it. I'm only on 50 cents. $4.50 so far. Let's see what we can get. I want the choo-choo train. Come on. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Come on, choo-choo. Choo-choo. Get it? I saw something blue go by. Was that the miner? Yeah, I saw the mini. Oh, I got it. $50. I saw the mini up there. Come on, let's see that major. Come on, get it. Or a train. I saw something. I think a mini. Come on, get it. Ooh, 3 more. Come on, get them. Oh. 2 spins remaining. Oh no, last spin. Come on. Get it. Ooh, it gave me something. Come on. See, 12 collected. Come on. Get it. Well, I am really liking this game. Oh, I saw that mini go by there. Come on. Get it, get it, get it. Oh. Last spin. Come on, something. Nope. But a pretty little miner there. So I've done pretty good. I got 2 minis, a miner, and the train feature. Woohoo! Well, if this keeps up, this might make up for them getting rid of the damn buffalo links that I like. All right, let's do a few more spins here. I do have to go get the shuttle. They have a shuttle to take you to Tropicana. Once I'm here, I don't want to drive. Oh, a free gift over there. I had a gift here too. Some bath stuff. All right, let's go back to dimes. A few spins. Come on. One more. Oh, I do wanted the free games. Come on. All right, one more. All right, let's get out of that. Come on, let's try nickels again. Just a few more spins. Come on, games? No. Oh, come on. No, I needed one more. I mean, it has been nice to me. I don't want to oh, come on. Wear out my welcome on it. As if it knows. Come on. Oh, come on. So this one is interesting. Features that are a little bit different. I don't know. Tell me what you think. It's oh, this is so cool. Let me see if I can get this up here. Hang on, let me set my purse down. Okay, look at what it is. It's an L and W. My initials. Okay, I'm playing LW. I've never heard of LW. Let me, just a minute, I'm gonna look into the, oh, come on. Hang on, let me see if I can find something. Just a minute. All right, well, I still haven't found what I was looking for, but it also, the free games has nudging wilds, some of these other things, and clusters and stuff. And that's just how they do the normal thing. Oh, Light and Wonder. I didn't know that's what The LW is dumb. I should have known that. Sorry about that. So that's cool. Light and Wonder machines all have my initials. Oh, I got it. Woohoo! Let's see what happens here. I'm betting $1.25 on nickels. Come on. Get it. One more. Oh, see, it nudged. Come on. Oh, get him. One more. Oh, I want those. Come on, get him. Come on, another one. Get it. Get it. Oh, it was up there. Oh, come on. Okay, come on, another one. Oh, it almost stopped. Get it. Oh, 2 more left. Come on. Get it. Wilds. All right, well, that helps. 1 game left. Woohoo! All right, come on, get him. No, I didn't get the others. But final free game, I won $30. All right, let's a few more and then I'll end the video. What am I betting? $1.25. Come on, 4 more. Oh, come on. All right. I'm stopping. Okay, this should be it. Get it. All right, that's it. Well, tell me what you think about this. Grand jackpot, Fortune's Wild. It's got a lot of neat little features on it. Dragon Train. Thank you for watching and experiencing this with me for the first time for me, and good luck, everyone. Well, hello, everybody. I am playing Dragon Train. I will have another video. I played it on one of the other machines. There's 3 here in Laughlin, and now this one, I just got the bonus on it. I put a 20 in, and I spent a few spins. These are the jackpots. These are new. I think they just put them in today. We'll see. I didn't ask. They just told me they were new. Oh, we'll see what happens. I am betting $1 on pennies. Just free games. Oh, what did that give me? Nothing. Oh, match. Oh, those are wilds. Why did this? This is different than the free games I got on the other one. Oh, I needed 1 more. Come on, get them. Oh, I need 6 to get that. Oh. Come on, get it. Oh, come on, get them numbers. Oh, darn you. Well, that was crappy. I like the free games better on their other version, but I'll try a little bit more. I like that they're all a little different. Nothing. Oh, come on. Let me try a couple spins on nickels, just because. Oh, come on. Nope. Okay, those, I thought they were wild. Get it? No, let me go back to pennies. Back to this. Come on, get them. Nothing. 24 cents. Come on. $1.52. Oh, come on. Oh, those are fishies. I thought they were chickens. They're fishies with, 3 more. Got it. All right. $12 so far. I'm betting $1 on pennies. And see, this is what it looks like. I'll get it. If you get a train symbol in here, then the train runs and it turns into a different bonus. Come on, get it? Something? All right. Get it? Oh. Come on, I saw that mini. Come on, something. Last spin. Something? No. Yeah, kind of disappointed. All right, 18, better, nothing. That works. Concerned I was down to 7. I hope I get one with the train so I can show you how that works. Oh, wilds. Went $7. That's nice. 7 and 10. These new machines have these odd amounts that you win. Oh, come on. Get them? 72 cents. Come on, 4 more. We need 6 of those guys. What am I? Let me try a $1.50 bet, a couple spins. Come on. Oh, minor, 50 bucks. Oh, come on, get him, 4 more. Get him. Oh. 4 fishies only gave me $1.05. Oh, 36 cents. Yeah, these odd amounts always. Well, oh, 1 more. Okay, I got it. Get me the free games, I do believe. I won $3. Each diamond awards a sticky reel. Well, I'm not diamond, those are fireworks. Okay. See what we can get. Come on, get them. Oh, we need 6. Oh, come on. Nothing. Come on, get them. Oh. I need 6 of those to get the numbers. Come on. This is interesting. Come on, get them. Oh, I still need. Oh, these are wild. Come on, give me 6 next time so I can get that minor maybe. Come on. Get him. Oh, make them. These, oh. Why didn't they all spin? That's kind of weird. Get him. Mini, minor, major. Oh, that was it. $26. Well, at least it was better than nothing. Well, that was okay. Oh, come on. Let me go back. Let me do 2 spins on dimes. Come on, something. Get it. Ooh. Wild. $14. Okay, I can do a little more. Get him. Oh, one more. See, I wanted 6 of those on that last bonus where it spent those thingies. Come on. Queens, come on. $0.50. Oh, come on. Now I'm back to, oh, major. That would have been $514. Oh, where's your brothers and cousins? Come on. Couple more. Get it? Okay, this is my last spin. 4 more? Nope. All right. Let's go back to nickels. Get up there. Get a few more to come. Nope, it might be done. Oh, come on. That didn't help. I need 3 of those little green snakes. Or 6 of the number things. These. 3 more. 6 of these. Come on. I got them. And I'm on nickels. Woo-hoo. Nice. $25 so far. Awesome. Let's see I get mini minor? Come on. Mini's 50, minor's 250. Come on. Get one of them. Yes, get them, get them. Oh. Come on, mini minor. Oh. Come on, mini minor. Oh, bigger numbers in. Something. Spins. Come on, train. Oh, minor just went by here, I think. Come on. Last spin. Something big. Get it, get it, get it, get it. No, well, thank you, but let's do that again. Something bigger. Get it? Yes. Ooh, come on. You can do this. These are nickels, yes. Come on, you can do this. Whoa, dropping my purse. Come on, get it. Oh, 2 more spins. See what it's doing here. Come on. If I fill them up, I get 14,000. The grand jackpot. Come on. Get it, one more. Oh, last spin, come on. Get it. Nope. But these are nice. All right, 46.25. That was nice. All right. Do just a few more. Oh, come on. Get it? Last spin. Oh, one more. That's it. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching as I keep spinning, right? 2 more, 2 more. Oh, all right. Now that it's teasing me. All right, I'm stopping. Oh, come on, get it? I'm stopping at $50. Come on, get one more green thing. Oh, come on. Okay, this is it. 2 more of those. Come on. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this new slot machine. At least it's new to me. And like I pointed in my last video, it's LW for, where'd it go? Light and Wonder. Woohoo! All right, tell me what you think, and good luck, everybody. Okay, I just got the free spins, and then I got the little sticky reels, and I got the bonus. I'm here on this new game here. Let's see what else I can get. Come on, big ones. I'm on nickels. Come on, mini, minor, major. Oh, get it? Mini, minor, major. Come on. Oh, I saw mini go by. Come on, mini's $50. See? There we go. Come on. 2 more spins left. Come on, get it. Oh, big one. Big one. Come on. Mini at least, minor. Get it, pretty blue. Oh, come on. One more. Nope. Oh well, they're not real big, but they'll add up nicely. All right, $22.50. This works. Oh, I still got 5 more games in the free spins that I got. Come on, let's do it again, see? That's how I got those, because I had 6 of them. Come on. Get them, get them, get them. Oh, I won't have enough. Come on. 3 more spins. 3 more games. Get them, get them. I had these. Come on, get them, get them. Oh. I could have had it if they would have all been the numbers. 2 more games left. Come on, you guys. Get him, come on, get him. Oh, come on, get him. No, I would have needed one more anyway. Last spin, let's see what happens. Oh, come on, get him. Oh, darn you. That's how I got him. These turned to those numbers. But they're a bunch of wilds. 51, 25 for that bonus. All right, I'll just do a few more here. These are being pretty nice to me for being new. You know, sometimes when the machines are new, they don't pay out nothing. Oh, one more. Come on. No, 4 more. Come on. Or 3 green things will give me the free games. 4 more, 3 more. Come on. Oh, I'm gonna do a couple more. I am enjoying this. Oh, the red fishies. And they're the Asian fishies with little coins in their fins. Wilds. Oh, 80 cents. Come on, wilds. Oh, come on. Get it? Last spin. No, I'm gonna do one more. Oh! Second time it's teased me. Oh my gosh. One more, I would have had it. Let's do a few more. Just because that big tease. They probably did that just to get me to do it. Come on. Oh. Come on. Get it? Nope. Come on, 5 more. Last spin. All right. Well, tell me what you think, and I hope you enjoyed this.